A food pyramid or diet pyramid is a triangular diagram representing the optimal number of servings to be eaten each day from each of the basic food groups. The first pyramid was published in Sweden in 1974. The 1992 pyramid introduced by the United States Department of Agriculture was called the Food Guide Pyramid or Eating Right Pyramid. It was updated in 2005 to MyPyramid, and then it was replaced by MyPlate in 2011. Amid high food prices in 1972, Sweden's National Board of Health and Welfare developed the idea of basic foods that were both cheap and nutritious, and supplemental foods that added nutrition missing from the basic foods. Anna-Britt Agnsäter, chief of the test kitchen for Kooperativa Förbundet, held a lecture the next year on how to illustrate these food groups. Attendee Fjalar Clemes suggested a triangle displaying basic foods at the base. Agnsäter developed the idea into the first food pyramid, which was introduced to the public in 1974 in KF6 magazine. The pyramid was divided into basic foods at the base, including milk, cheese, margarine, bread, cereals, and potato, a large section of supplemental vegetables and fruit, and an apex of supplemental meat, fish, and egg. The pyramid competed with the National Board's dietary circle, which KF saw as problematic for resembling a cake divided into 7 slices, and for not indicating how much of each food should be eaten. While the board distanced itself from the pyramid, KF continued to promote it. Food pyramids were developed in other Scandinavian countries, as well as West Germany, Japan, and Sri Lanka. The United States later developed its first food pyramid in 1992. The World Health Organization, in conjunction with the Food and Agriculture Organization,